Good morning, students. Now, in this video, Sir would like to show you the practical part of the complete computing system. Now, this is a basic computer system which is available mostly at offices. Now, I am standing in an office, one of my office, where I can show you the computer system. Basic computer system consists of a television-like structure, which is monitor. I hope that everybody can see it. Like I can touch it, I can feel it, and I can move this. So this is the one of the first device, basic computer which have. The second one is the CPU. I hope that you can see it's a rectangular box. This is the brain of the computer. All the calculation work, evaluation work is done by this CPU, stand for Central Processing Unit. Then we have keyboard. We have keyboard on which we have different types of keys: enter, space bar, shift, alphabetical keys, numeric keys, function keys, and we have a mouse which helps to control the pointer. Okay, and basically we have one more is your printer, which helps to, I can show you, which helps to print the pages or the output. Now, the computer, as I had mentioned in the video, computer works on IPO cycle. That means the input is being provided by using the input devices like the keyboard or the mouse. Once the input has been provided, after that the processing work, the calculation work is done by CPU. All the calculation being done by the CPU, then the output is shown on the monitor, or you can take a hard printout of it. This is the complete IPO cycle which is being followed by the computer. Now, in today's session, we will learn about hardware and software. So students, the parts of or the devices of the computer system which I can touch, like you can see, I can touch monitor, I can touch keyboard, I can touch mouse, I can touch CPU, and I can touch printer. Yes or no? So I can touch all these devices, hence these devices are hardware. Just by buying these hardware, आप सिर्फ इन हार्डवेयर को अगर आप परचेज कर लोगे, कंप्यूटर विल नॉट वर्क बिकॉज कंप्यूटर रिक्वायर सच programs. As you can see, if I can show it to you, such programs, like I'll open the favorite program of yours, Paint. So I can't touch this program. This program is inside the computer. It is stored in the CPU, running inside the computer. I can't touch it. So that's a software. Software is also required for working of computer. Without hardware and software, computer system will not work. Both of them are required. I hope that you have understood. Now, the classifications of hardware. The hardwares which we use for input, we use keyboard for input, we use mouse for input, we use scanner, touch screen, touchpad, these for inputs. So those devices, those hardware which we can touch, and those devices which are being used to give input to the computer are known as input devices. So your keyboard is an input device, so your mouse is an input device, same your touch screen, touchpad, scanners, these all are input hardware devices. The device which do the processing. Who do the processing? Who is the brain of the computer? Yes, Central Processing Unit. So CPU is the brain of the computer, do all the processing work. So this hardware which I can touch do the processing work, hence this hardware is processing device. Processing hardware device. Central processing device, central processing unit is processing device, keyboard, and your mouse is input device. Similarly, you use screen for your seeing output or the result of the computation or the processing. Hence, this is output hardware, output device. Okay, I would again classify input hardware devices used for providing inputs, processing hardware devices used for processing, output hardware devices used for output. Now, this program, that is Paint, this software, because it is inside the computer, I can't touch. So this is a software program which tells the computer how to draw or how to work. Like if I'll select on this circle, it will tell the computer how to make a circle. If I touch on square, it will tell the computer how to make a rectangle. Okay, so this program is telling the computer what to do. This is a software. Now, software are of two types: operating system or your system software and application software. This right now what we are using, Paint, is an application software. Application software which are designed, made for special purposes, special tasks. Like Paint has been made for drawing and coloring purpose. Similarly, MS Word, this program has been made for writing and texting, formatting purpose, making applications, letters, writing stories. Okay, and similarly, web browser program, this is being installed, or this is being made so that we can communicate on internet. So these type of programs which are made for doing special works for particular tasks, for performing any particular task, such programs are known as your application software. Now, if I restart the system, just for your briefing, this software which controls the complete work of the computer from starting to shutting down, controls the complete computer. This type of software is known as operating software. Right now you can see here it is Windows 7 Professional. So the operating system which is controlling this computer is Windows. Without system software, the computer will not work. System software is also known as operating system, which starts from now. Here the operating system has started. Now it will control the computer. It will tell the computer what to do and how to do, what programs you have to open, how the program will work, what you have to do, how to take input, how to take a printout, how processing will done, how storing will done. All these control is being done by the system software. So these two types of software we have understood, we have shown. Similarly, I had shown you the hardware. I hope that the practical session is explainable to you. In case if you have any doubt, you can ask in the live session. For right now, thank you.